In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ChatGPT mobile app as a research assistant. Start by opening the ChatGPT app on your phone. A clean workspace helps you stay focused, so begin a new chat to keep this research session separate from anything else you've been exploring. That way your questions and answers stay organized around one topic. Now type your research question clearly and specifically. The more precise you are, the better the responses you'll get. Instead of a vague, "tell me about climate," try something like, "explain the causes of climate change." You can narrow it further by adding a scope or level, such as for a high school presentation, or with recent examples from the past 5 years. Next, ask ChatGPT to summarize articles, papers, or broader topics you're studying. This is great for getting a plain language overview, identifying key points, and surfacing major debates. You can request summaries that highlight the main argument, methods used, and any noted limitations so you quickly grasp what matters. As you read those summaries, use follow-up prompts to dig deeper. Ask for definitions of unfamiliar terms, concrete examples, or an explanation of why a particular finding is important. You can also request a brief list of major sources or areas to explore next. Keep refining until the explanation feels clear and complete for your needs. When you're ready to synthesize, ask ChatGPT to compare studies, create outlines, or generate citations. Comparison prompts can reveal similarities, differences, and common shortcomings across studies. Outlines help you structure a paper, a presentation, or a study plan. If you need citations in a specific style, you can request them, but always verify the details, since citation data can be incomplete or inaccurate. As you gather useful responses, copy them into Notes, Word, or Google Docs to keep everything in one place. Organize your document with headings, highlight key quotes or data points, and add your own comments or questions so you know what to verify later. This simple habit speeds up drafting and keeps your research trail clear. Finally, verify the information using trusted sources, because ChatGPT can make mistakes. Check claims against peer-reviewed articles, reputable textbooks, and official organizations. Look at publication dates, confirm statistics, and be cautious with bold or surprising assertions until you've confirmed them independently. Remember, always cross-check facts and use ChatGPT as a research assistant, not the final source. With these steps, you'll work faster, stay organized, and build stronger, more reliable research.